In this video, we will see the top 15 best Turkish series, which are available on YouTube with English subtitles. Number 1. Waiting for You. Waiting for You offers a captivating blend of romance, mystery, and family intrigue. This series follows Kadir, who after losing his family in an earthquake, grows up resenting his mother's remarriage and seeks solace in his business in Doha. A chance encounter with Elise sparks a belief in destiny, leading him to give her his father's ring. When Kadir returns to Istanbul, family secrets unravel, revealing Erol's true parentage and Selahattin's existence. A twist of fate reunites Kadir and Elise, reigniting their connection, unaware of their complex familial ties. With the rediscovery of the ring, Kadir falls deeper in love, unaware of the impending complications tied to Elise's true identity as Erol's sister. While some viewers critique the age gap between the leads, but according to me, Özkan Deniz and İlhan Şahin deliver stellar performances, making it a must-watch for fans of heartfelt dramas. Don't let the initial episodes deter you. This series unfolds like a true fairy tale, weaving together themes of lost connections and rekindled love across generations. Number 2. Escape. Firar, or Escape, unfolds the gripping tale of Nadir, a trusted confidant of the powerful Bahtiyar in Mardin. When betrayal strikes in the form of his brother-in-law Kerim's affair with his wife, Nadir's loyalty to the family is tested. In a moment of rage, Nadir takes drastic action, leading to a desperate flight from the wrath of the Bahtiyar. The series delves into themes of honor, loyalty, and the consequences of choices made in the murky world of power and influence. Nadir's journey becomes a captivating escape story as he navigates through a web of intrigue and danger, pursued by those he once trusted. Despite promising beginnings, Firar falters with a convoluted plot overshadowed by revenge, featuring unconvincing chemistry between leads and lackluster acting. The series struggles to deliver on its premise of redemption amidst a backdrop of tribal culture and criminal activities. Number 3. Come What May. Burdened by guilt over his wife's death and his daughter Elise's upbringing, Nurettin decides to teach her important life lessons after a pivotal incident. Seeking to instill respect and responsibility in Elise, he plans to propose to Sinem, his longtime love interest. However, Elise's discovery of the engagement ring leads to a clash of wills between father and daughter. As Nurettin remains determined to proceed with the proposal, Elise, equally headstrong, rebels by hastily marrying someone she believes her father will disapprove of, escalating tensions within the family dynamic. Best 2023 Digi offers a refreshing break from clichés with its engaging characters and surprising plot twists, earning praise for its chemistry and balanced storytelling. Number 4. Love Makes You Cry. Ada, a 19-year-old girl, lives under the oppression of her greedy uncle and invalid aunt in a remote village. Despite her resistance, she is sold to a petty gangster who intends to make her his wife against her will. She finds herself trapped in a forced marriage situation orchestrated by her uncle. With the help of a kind stranger named Yusuf, Ada escapes to Istanbul, embarking on a journey filled with love, courage, and the pursuit of freedom from the shackles of forced marriage and oppression. It is highly underrated yet truly a masterpiece. This Turkish drama captivates with its pure portrayal of love and realism. Highly recommended for those seeking a beautiful and touching love story. Number 5. Sila. This series follows Sila, who is born in Mardin, Turkey, and is sent to a wealthy Istanbul family due to financial struggles. When her brother Azad kidnaps the Agha's sister, village customs dictate Sila must marry Boran, the Agha, to save her brother. As Sila navigates the strict traditions in her new home, an unexpected love blossoms with Boran, impacting not only their lives but also challenging the clash between love and tradition in southeastern Turkey. This series impresses with its bold portrayal of societal clashes, condemning conservative traditions while delivering compelling performances. Despite occasional melodrama, the series stands out for its insightful storytelling, capturing the essence of Turkish culture. Number 6. Lady Willie. Ferret, an American-educated man, falls for Elkajian from Saklakoi, a village where men must reside to marry. Saklakoi, known as Lady Willie, is governed by strict traditions upheld by its female inhabitants. Financial difficulties force Ferret's family to consider selling their Saklakoi property, now occupied by Kahya. Ilkgun, Kahya's daughter, hides her village identity and meets Ferret in Istanbul, where they connect deeply. Ferret learns the village's rule: men must stay to marry local women, leading to a dilemma. Despite his initial resistance, Ferret embraces Saklakoi's beauty and Elkajian's charm. The series explores Ferret's struggle between love, tradition, and the allure of city life. It is a short 12 episodes, fun romantic comedy Turkish series, which I would highly recommend you give a try. Link for this series is given in the description section. Number 7. Love for Rent. Love for Rent is a Turkish romantic comedy series that follows the story of Daphne, a waitress who lives a simple life with her grandmother, brother, and little sister. When her brother is taken by the mafia for his debt, Daphne has to find a large sum of money in 24 hours to save him. Omar, a young CEO, meets Daphne at the restaurant where she works and pretends to be her boyfriend to escape an arranged date. When Omar's aunt-in-law Neriman sees them together, she proposes an offer to Daphne to work as Omar's personal assistant, make him fall in love with her, and get married to him within 6 months. Daphne accepts the offer to save her brother, but complications arise as she falls in love with Omar. The show features a mix of romance, comedy, and drama as Daphne navigates her new challenging life while keeping her true intentions hidden. Number 8. Zemheri. Zemheri is a compelling drama revolving around Firuzeh and Ayaj, two young individuals from poor families who fall deeply in love. However, their love faces unforeseen challenges, and Ayaj makes a difficult decision to protect his family, sacrificing their relationship. After 2 years of separation, their paths cross again when Firuzeh's father faces false accusations in a construction site accident. As Firuzeh seeks to prove her father's innocence, she encounters Ayaj, who plays a crucial role in the case. The series delves into themes of love, sacrifice, forgiveness, and the pursuit of justice. Zemheri is a Turkish series with a gripping love story and outstanding performances. The chemistry between Firuzeh and Ayaj is captivating, making it a must-watch for fans of romance and drama. And I will highly recommend you all to watch this series. Link to Zemheri with English subtitles is given in the description below. Number 9. Sevdiğim Seni Bir Kere. Aslim, who came from Izmir to Ankara, and clashes with Ozan from the outset. Ozan is a rebellious and tempestuous youth. Despite their differences, Aslim falls in love with Ozan's passionate nature. Their relationship is tested by ambition, economic disparities, and hidden pasts, impacting not only their lives but also their families. As they navigate through lies, secrets, and sacrifices, the story unfolds into a turbulent tale of love and resilience amidst adversity. As a viewer of this Turkish series, I found myself torn between the captivating allure of certain characters and the frustration induced by repetitive plotlines. While characters like Yagiz added depth and intrigue to the narrative, the prevalence of villains and their consistent triumphs became predictable and tiresome. Number 10. Yüksek Sosyete. The story revolves around Kerem, a hardworking young man from a poor family, who agrees to manage the Olivia grocery store for his wealthy friend Mert, in exchange for funds to start his own business. Meanwhile, Cansu, a discontented heiress, seeks true love and finds herself working at Olivia incognito. As Kerem and Cansu develop feelings for each other, complications arise with Mert's affection for Cansu's friend Ece. The narrative intertwines themes of social class, love, and deception, creating a complex web of relationships and emotions. Kerem and Cansu's attraction grows despite their differing backgrounds, while Mert's unrequited love adds further tension. The dynamics at Olivia become increasingly intricate as each character navigates their desires and identities. Number 11. Atesh Kushlari. Most street children do not reach the age of 20. It cannot be said that those who saw it lived. Drugs, violence, sexual harassment, hunger. The fate of street children is either prison or grave. 8th Scholar will highlight the fate of 5 of these children, the self-dubbed Coxsuzler, who managed to resist this fate. Their story, which began the day they discovered a 40-day-old baby in a garbage dump, will change from that day onwards, and we, as viewers, will follow the transformation of these 5 street children, from Coxsuzler to 8th Scholar. 8th Scholar will make us question what it means to be a family while highlighting the struggle of families not connected to each other not by blood, but by life ties, in a hopeful language. Number 12. Luck of My Life. In Luck of My Life series, we see the story of Yoja, a struggling single mother, who faces a series of hardships when her daughter's estranged father demands custody. Evicted and jobless, Yoja meets her supposedly diseased father, Turgay, who, working for the mafia, promises her a life-changing lottery win. Desperate to save her daughter, Yoja agrees, only to find herself pursued by both the police and the mafia. Aiding her escape is Ruzgar, an undercover police captain posing as a helpful taxi driver. Unaware of Ruzgar's true identity, Yoja is thrust into a complex web of danger and family secrets. This is a short series, with a decent acting, and a wonderful script, although there were some moments where I have noticed overuse of sorrow and anger, making it hard to endure beyond the first episode, but still it a good series to watch. Number 13. In Spite of Love. Daphne, a young computer engineer, starts her job at Aras Technology but faces a clothing dispute with her brother, Zinar. In a rush, she encounters a stranger, Yaleen, in the parking lot, unaware he's the CEO. To secure her position after arriving late, she must solve a computer code problem within a day. She succeeds but resigns upon learning Yaleen's identity. Yaleen regrets his actions and tries to apologize, leading to a confrontation with Zinar. As the story unfolds, Daphne's brother falls in love with Yaleen's sister, Yesim, adding complexity to the tale. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. According to me, In Spite of Love, Indina Ashk offers a delightful blend of romance and comedy, driven by the charismatic performances of Jan Yaman and Asilia Topaloglu. Their on-screen chemistry provides moments of laughter and charm that keep viewers engaged. However, the series falls short in terms of closure, leaving me yearning for a more satisfying ending. Despite its shortcomings, the show manages to strike a balance between humor and romance, leaving its viewers entertained and eager for more. Number 14. Dewey Bainey. The series Dewey Bainey revolves around a high school student Akim, whose life takes a dark turn when her best friend, Leela, is hit by a masked driver, leaving her unable to walk. The culprit seeks refuge in a private high school for the wealthy, shielded by the administration. To uncover the truth, Akim, along with Aise and Baker, earns a scholarship to attend the school. As they navigate bullying and confrontation with popular students, Akim becomes determined to expose the person behind the hit and run, with a supportive new teacher aiding their cause. This Turkish series is a captivating masterpiece with a gripping script, stellar acting, and a talented ensemble cast. The storyline, filled with unexpected twists, delves into complex themes of bullying and societal issues, keeping its viewers on the edge of their seats. Number 15. Kan Chitiklari. Kan Chitiklari tells the compelling tale of Dila and Baran, forced into marriage to end a blood feud, amidst the hostility of those around them. Baran, burdened by guilt over an attack that claimed his mother's life, must suppress his hatred for his enemies to save his brother and seek family reconciliation. Destiny takes a sinister turn when Baran's uncle, the mastermind behind the attack, lays a trap to seize the family fortune. To break the cycle of vengeance, Baran marries Dila, his former attraction, but their love is tested by the deep-rooted animosity between their families. As their passion intensifies, It becomes a force that can either lead to love's bloom or ultimate devastation. Link of this series is given in the description and comment section. So that was the video, friends. If you are interested in watching more Turkish series with English subtitles, then please click here.